grade 3s, time for handwriting. Today, I want you to take the hand that you write with. So if it's your right hand, I want you to take a piece of scrap paper, any scrap paper that you're not going to use again, and I want you to take it in the hand that you write with. The hand you don't write with, you're going to sit on. So I'm going to sit on my right hand. And I want you, with your hand, to take this piece of paper and squish it into the smallest ball possible, but only using your one hand. This is to strengthen your fingers. Use your fingers to make this piece of paper as tiny as you can and squash it down. Your fingers need lots of pressure, and this helps you keep your fingers nice and strong for writing. Right, my paper isn't that small, but I want you to carry on until your paper is tiny as it can go. And remember, no help from your other hand. Right, let's have a look at our handwriting. Push your chair in nicely and sit up straight. And remember, the hand that is not doing the writing is holding the page. We write the date. I have written the 18th of May in the first dot line. Then you skip a line and you make a dot and you write handwriting. And on the very next line, with your ruler, you rule a line with your ruler. So remember, take it nicely and rule across the page. Then skip a line, make a dot. Our first piece of writing is a pattern. It's this K pattern. I've started it and we carry on up, around and back. And back, stop, come back. Remember that you're touching the top and the bottom of the line. And I want you to carry it on all the way to the end. The next one, we skip a line, make a dot. The next letter is the letter K for cat. So start at the bottom of the line, nice finger space. Start at the bottom of the line, up to the top, stop, come back and around. You're going to complete a whole row of these. I've done 2. Then you skip a line, you make a dot. The next letter we're going to do is an A. A for apple. Give yourself a nice finger space. Start at the bottom of the line, up, around, just like the K. Stop, come back, close, and around. These 2 letters, the K and the A, are in preparation for the letter that's coming next. The 2 letters that are coming next, the G and the Q. Right, skip a line, make a dot, and we're going to start with the preparation for a G. Start at the bottom of the line, up, around, stop, come back, and stop when you get to the bottom line. Just do that, and I want you to finish the line. That is not a letter yet. Skip a line, make a dot. Now we're going to do the full G. Finger space, up like you're going to start a K, stop, come back. Looks like you're going to do an A, but go into the next line, around. Remember, cross on that line beautifully and lift up your pencil. You're going to finish the whole row. Now we do the Q. Skip a line, make a dot, and we start exactly the same way we did the K and the A. From the bottom of the line up, stop, come back around, all the way down, and slightly around and to the right. This has got a little tail. Right. The next one we're going to do is a pattern. I've chosen green. So you skip a line, you make a dot, and we're doing the zigzag pattern. I want you to keep the zigzag pattern exactly the same. So if you start with that gap must continue all the way along in your pattern. See if you can do that nicely. We've got a few words. The first one is dog. We've done the D and the R, and now we're going to join it to the G. So skip a line. The D starts like a K, stop, come back, up into the top line. R starts like a K, come back, stay at the top, and attach the G. You need to finish the line. Remember, the next two letters always come together. You never ever see a Q without the U. So we're going to practice these two together because that's how they're always written. So skip a line, make a dot. We start just like we're doing a K, stop, around, down, and up into our dot line for the A. Please continue the line. Skip a line, make a dot. We're going to write the word get. We've done the E and the T. Now we are going to join them. Make a nice finger space with your eye. G starts like a K, around, E, and the T. Then you lift up your pencil, and when you're finished, you cross the T. And to end with, I want you to do the G pattern. So you skip a line, make a dot. I've started it for you. Choose a nice color, and remember to stay in the line, and also remember to consistently keep your pattern size the same. So each G must be the same. When you're finished, you take your ruler and you rule a line. See you next time for more handwriting.